In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Uno stand in Please Donate in Roblox, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on the search bar and searching up Uno. Now, you're going to click on Unofficial and just click on Play. Now, once it opens on Roblox, you'll be able to actually play the game, and this is crucial into getting the Roblox Uno stand in Please Donate. So once the game opens, it's going to look something like this. Now you're going to click on Settings. Sorry, you're not going to click on Settings. You're going to click on Play, Solo, and you're going to create a match. You're going to scroll down and make sure that you click on Please Donate. Now you're going to choose this and make sure that stacking is selected and make sure the win condition is 1 round. It can be any win condition, but it's just going to be quicker this way, and you're going to create the match and you're going to play. Now you need to make sure that you actually win this game, so once you win the game of Uno, come back to this tutorial video and you'll be able to find out how to actually get the stand. Now, once you have actually won a game with the specific settings that I showed you, you can now go onto Please Donate and claim a stand to actually see your new Uno stand. So click E to edit and click on this wheel right here and use your mouse wheel to scroll, and you'll actually see that you have your Uno stand. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.